Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check the full specs of your MacBook. This is especially useful if you're buying a used Mac, or if you're just curious about your device. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. You can also open System Settings directly from your dock if you have it there. By default, you'll be in the General tab. Now click on the first option, About. Here you'll see your Mac's basic information. For example, I'm using a MacBook Pro with the M1 chip and 32 gigabytes of memory. You'll also find your serial number, your current macOS version, your display size and resolution, and your storage. For more detailed information, click System Report. This opens a complete list of everything about your Mac: hardware, software, network, Apple Pay, cameras, storage, Thunderbolt devices, and much more. No matter which model you have, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac, every detail is available here. There's also a shortcut method. Click the Apple logo again and select About this Mac. A small window will pop up showing your chip, memory, startup disk, macOS version, and serial number. Click More Info, and it takes you right back to the About section, where you can scroll down and open System Report again. And that's how easy it is to check your MacBook's specs. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.